Ever scroll through social media and feel like you're totally behind with money? You see the new cars, the dream vacations, the "look at my amazing life" posts? And it's easy to think, am I doing this right? What if I told you that financial success has almost nothing to do with that stuff? The truth is, being good with money is a quiet, confident feeling. It's not about what you buy, it's about the security you build. So today, we're looking at 5 signs that you're actually doing much better financially than you think. Let's get into it. This is the big one, the foundation. If you are someone who pays off your credit card balance in full every single month, you are already winning the game. Think of credit card debt like running a marathon with a heavy backpack. You're moving, but it's exhausting and slow because of that crazy high interest, sometimes over 20%. When you have 0 credit card debt, you've taken that backpack off. You're no longer sending your hard-earned money to the bank as interest. Instead, you're using the credit card as a convenient tool, not a loan for a life you can't afford. This is control. If this is you, give yourself a massive pat on the back. Now this one is often misunderstood. Living below your means does not mean living a life of deprivation. It doesn't mean you can't buy coffee or never go out to eat. What it really means is that you've built a comfortable gap between what you earn and what you spend. It's that gap that gives you power. Let's say you bring home $5,000 a month. If your lifestyle costs $4,500, you're on a tightrope. But if your lifestyle is comfortable at, say, $3,150, that means you have a $1,250 cushion every single month. That cushion is your freedom. It's what allows you to save, invest, and sleep well at night. You're not stressed about every little purchase because you've built a buffer. That's financial confidence. This is your financial security blanket. And I'm not just talking about a few $100. I'm talking about a fully funded emergency fund that can cover 6 to 12 months of your essential expenses. This money is for real emergencies only. Not a sale, not a spontaneous trip. I'm talking about a job loss, a major car breakdown, or a medical bill. When you have this cash sitting in a savings account, life's surprises become inconveniences, not full-blown crises. It means you don't have to panic or go into debt. You have the time and space to make a smart decision. This is one of the clearest signs that you're not just getting by. You're prepared and resilient. Saving is fantastic, but it's defensive. Investing is offensive. It's how you actually grow your wealth. If you have a habit, even an automatic one, where money is regularly moved from your checking account into an investment account, like a 401k, an IRA, or a brokerage account, you are leveling up. This shows you understand a powerful secret. You need your money to work for you. You're building assets that generate more money thanks to the magic of compound interest. You're no longer just a consumer, you're an owner. This long-term thinking is what separates those who are building lasting wealth from those who are just maintaining a cash balance. This is the ultimate scoreboard for your financial health. Your net worth is simple. It's everything you own minus everything you owe. Your salary can go up and down, your checking account balance changes daily, but a steadily rising net worth is the true story of your progress. It means that collectively, all your good habits, paying down debt, adding to investments, building home equity, are working together to build your financial fortress. You don't need to check it every day, but if you look at it once a year and that line is climbing, you are undeniably, unquestionably on the right track. So, how many of these signs did you recognize in yourself? Even if it's just 1 or 2, that means you're on the path. True financial well-being is about that quiet confidence, that security that no one else can see, but you can definitely feel. Let me know in the comments which sign made you feel the most proud. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, straightforward tips to take control of your money. Thanks for watching.